Hello, my name is Taryn. Thank you so much for tuning in today. If you are new here to my channel, welcome. Make sure you hit that subscribe button and turn on that bell notification so you will be notified when I upload a new video. And to my subscribers that have been here, welcome back. Thank you for sticking around and tuning in. Also, I love y'all so much. So today's video is going to be a recreation of an eyeshadow look that I did the other day. And this was a request from one of my dear lovely followers on Instagram. So if you're not following me on Instagram, be sure to check my description area. I will leave that link there. I'm very active there. But this was a request to redo this eyeshadow look. And today is the day I'm gonna redo it. So today's main character in this eyeshadow look is this palette right here. This is the new Persuasion palette from Be Love Beauty. This eyeshadow palette can take you from a natural look to a glam look in one palette. This is one palette that I gravitate to a lot. As you can see, I've hit pan on some of the shadows, but this is my absolute fave, and this is the palette that I used today. Well, I used in that look, and it's been a long time coming, y'all. I'm getting into the swing of it. So the two eyeshadow brushes that I use is this Delium Tools 778 brush. And this is a large shadow brush. And I use Juvia's J125 blender brush. So my face is already prepped and primed and ready for makeup. And if you want a separate video on that, please just let me know. I can come back and do it. So I'm gonna go now and use some concealer to prep my eyes, getting it ready for shadow. Now I'm gonna go in with Beauty Bakery's flour, and I'm going to go in. This is setting powder, and this is in plantain caramel. And that's just setting everything to make sure nothing moves or starts to crease. First color that I am going in with is Chocola. And I start in my brow bone crease area, like right in that little divot right here. This is Mocha that I'm going in with to deepen that color. And I'm just going back and forth using windshield wiper motion from the inner to the outer. And I'm gonna blend the outer rims of this color and blend it up over the brow bone. Well, it's kind of like on the brow bone, I should say. It's on the brow bone, so I am just blending those edges out. Now I'm gonna go in with Peachy to set my under my eyebrows, and I'm just using the same brush and I'm just pressing it down. And I'm going back in to Chocola and Mocha, tapping in these two, and then I tap off the excess, and then I go in, go back to those windshield wiper motions. Now I'm going to use Cafe. And I'm just going to darken the outer corner of my eyelid. And I'm kind of going like in circular motions. And then I'm just going to blend those lines together. And I'm going to use my makeup wipe and just kind of make a guide for my wing and just clean that up. Now I'm going to go in with the Delium Tools 778 large eyeshadow brush. And I'm going to go in with blush and Fabergé. These two. Blush and Fabergé. And I'm going to mix these two colors together. Like this. And just tap those two colors on. So I'm going back in with Fabergé and blush. And just tap just a little bit out, but she doesn't have a lot of fallout. And press, tap and press that color in. And I'm just going a little bit over midpoint. And I'm going to go in again on this eye because this one looks a lot more pigmented and concentrated. And I'm just going to stamp that on. I'm going to go back in with the Juvia's blender brush, say that 10 times fast, and blend that harsh line out right over each other like that. And I took most of the color off of this brush, the Delium Tools brush, and I'm just gonna stamp whatever product is still on the eyelid and blend that in. Yes, that is basically it for that look. And if you want to go into your inner corner and make sure that's blended out, no harsh lines or anything of that kind, that's what you can do. And if you want to darken your crease area, you can darken that going back in with those two colors, Chicola and Mocha. You can go in and intensify that a lot more. These are matte shadows that I'm using, and I absolutely love matte eyeshadow looks, but you can go in and deepen that if you want to. I'm very happy with how it looks right now. I'm gonna stop right there. Now I'm gonna go in with my Wet n Wild Mega Liner in black. I got this from Walmart, and I'm gonna create a wing. Now I'm going to take some concealer. This is my LA Pro Conceal and the color Toffee. And I'm going to blend that out. Get close and blend it out. Now I'm going to go in with Wet n Wild's Big Papa mascara. Now the lashes that I used for that look was the Juvia's Nubian Lash in Egypt. And the lash glue I'm using is Kiss 3D Strip Lash Adhesive. Got this from CVS. All right, the lashes are on. I'm gonna make sure they are drying. I went very dramatic with these because I usually don't wear these types of lashes, but I did. I absolutely love them. I am complete and I am done with this portion of my eyeshadow look. I absolutely love it. It's very, very easy to achieve. Very simple, very easy. I'm going to go off and do my foundation, concealer, blush, highlight, powder, all of that. And if you want a more in-depth video of that, of the steps that I do, just let me know and I'll come back and do it. But this is just an eyeshadow requested look, so I just did the eyeshadow and I hope everything was understandable. So I will be coming back. Stay tuned. I'll be right back. So this is the Lip Gloss Straight Out of Patience eyeliner. And I'm going to be using this on my lower lash line. I'm going to be smudging that pencil out. And with that same brush, I'm going in with these two again on this brush. And I am going to just place some shadow where I smudge the pencil out to set everything. Then I'm going to go in with my mascara again for my bottom lashes. So for my lips, for that look, I used the Lip Gloss Straight Living Lip Liner. And I'm going in with the Lip Bars Rich Auntie. All right, so that is it. Now I'm getting ready to spray my face with Milani's Make It Last Matte Setting Spray. So that is it for this video. I hope it was clear enough and I hope it was understandable and I hope it helped. Thank you so much for asking and requesting this video. It was my pleasure. So thank you so much for stopping by and viewing. And until next time, stay blessed.